only see the blackness beyond. Beyond human vision. Our eyes have limitations. We can only see a tiny portion of the electromagnetic spectrum, the range of light wavelengths. Space might be filled with light from distant stars, but a lot of it might be in infrared or ultraviolet wavelengths we can't see directly. Big Bang's faint echo. The Big Bang theory tells us the universe began very hot and dense. Though faint, a leftover echo of that heat, called the cosmic microwave background radiation, fills all of space. This faint afterglow is a key piece of evidence for the Big Bang, but again, our eyes can't detect it directly. JWST, unveiling the early universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a revolutionary tool. With its powerful infrared vision, JWST can peer deeper into space and time than ever before. It's helping us see the universe just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, when the first galaxies were forming. Olber's paradox and the expanding universe. Now, things get interesting. The Olber's paradox asks why the night sky isn't completely bright if the universe goes on forever with countless stars. The answer lies in the expansion of the universe. As galaxies rush away from each other, their light gets stretched out, becoming fainter and redder, which explains the darkness of space, even in a vast universe. JWST and the expansion rate mystery. Recent news shows JWST confirming measurements made by the Hubble Space Telescope. These measurements suggest the universe might be expanding faster than our current models predict. This Hubble tension is a hot topic in cosmology, and JWST's data might help us refine our understanding of the universe's expansion. Conclusion. Space may appear black, but it's far from empty. It's a vast ocean of energy, filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. JWST is a powerful tool leading the way, helping us see the universe's grand story unfold. Let me know in the comments below what other space mysteries you'd like to explore. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science content.